Hey there, struggling with YouTube videos pausing on Orient TV? Frustrating, right? Whether you're in the middle of a gripping drama or a hilarious cat video, interruptions can ruin the experience. In today's guide, I'll walk you through step-by-step tips on how to fix YouTube videos pausing on your Orient TV and get back to seamless streaming. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First things first, check your internet connection. A weak signal can often be the prime culprit for buffering and pausing issues. Make sure your Orient TV is connected to a strong and stable network. Here's how to check. Restart your router. Unplug it for 10 seconds and then plug it back in. Check signal strength. Ensure your TV is within range of your Wi-Fi network. Limit other devices. Too many devices using the same network bandwidth can slow down your internet speed. Step 2. Update the YouTube app. An outdated app can cause videos to pause unexpectedly. Here's how to make sure your YouTube app is up to date on your Orient TV. Navigate to the App Store. Usually located on your TV's main menu, search for YouTube on it. Open the YouTube app page. Select Update. If there's an update available, click on it and install it. Keeping your app updated ensures that you have the latest features and bug fixes. Step 3. Clear cache and data. Cache and data buildup can also lead to performance hiccups. Follow these steps to clear them. Open Settings menu. Look for the App section, find YouTube. Click on it. Clear cache and data. This will remove temporary files that might be causing problems. Note, clearing data may require you to sign back into your YouTube account. Step 4. Adjust video quality. If your internet speed is not optimal, playing high-resolution videos can lead to buffering. Lowering the video quality can help. Open YouTube settings while the video is playing. Press the options button on your remote. Slow network. Select quality. Choose a lower resolution like 720p or 480, especially if you're on a slow network. Step 5. Check for system updates. Sometimes the issue lies with TV's operating system itself. Ensure your TV firmware is up to date with the latest version. You can go to your TV settings, access the menu and locate System, select Software Update, and if an update is available, proceed to download it and install it. Updating the system can fix bugs and improve overall device performance. Step 6. Examine HDMI and external devices. If your YouTube is streaming from an external device via HDMI, check the HDMI cable. Make sure it's connected securely. Consider replacing it if it's damaged. Restart the external device. Sometimes simply restarting the device can fix the problem. And there you have it. You've now learned how to fix YouTube videos pausing on Orient TV with these easy steps. Whether it's updating your app, tweaking your settings, or adjusting your streaming setup, you'll be back to enjoying your favorite content in no time.